Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to work with people and help them to learn how to take care of their skin so they can get the most out of it. And I'm really excited to talk to you today about one of the best preventative measures that you can take with your skin, and that's by applying and using the TeMana Noni Brightening Facial Shield. This is my friend Jess. She's here with us today to help learn how to apply the facial shield and how to use the facial shield, and also why it's important to use every day. So thank you for being here with us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
The facial shield does exactly what the name entails. It's shielding the skin from the UV rays, which can cause potential damage like any forms of hyperpigmentation, sunspots, age spots, anything that can really damage the skin, and even more serious skin concerns like skin cancer. If you're not using the facial shield every day, the UV rays will be able to penetrate into the skin and damage your skin cells, making them weaker and causing all of those issues that we were talking about. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions that people talk to me about when it comes to wearing sunscreen or the facial shield is they only apply it when they're going outside to spend the day outside. That can really harm your skin, because if you think about it, when you're going to work, when you're going to the gym, all these different places, when you're going in and out, you're in the sun a lot more than you really realize. And when you start to see those age spots and sunspots appear on your skin, then you begin to worry and think, man, I should have prevented this, and I could have prevented this a long time ago from ever occurring had I taken proper care of my skin. Now, the TeMana facial shield is spectacular because it's filled with different kinds of humectants that help to pull moisture to the skin, and it's acting as a physical barrier to help keep the UV rays as well as any other environmental toxins out of the skin, which is phenomenal. We want to keep all of the bad stuff out and all of the good stuff in. So the facial shield is designed to be applied after you've done the rest of your skincare regimen. You want the facial shield to be the last thing that's on your face, so that way it can adequately protect your skin from the UV rays that are surrounding us in our environment. Let's apply the facial shield. I know that you're a person that would really enjoy a product like this because you can tell that you take really good care of your skin and you have hardly any hyperpigmentation on your face. So
Thank you.
using a product like this regularly would help you with your results.
Definitely.
We're going to apply the facial shield similar to how we would the moisturizer. So you're going to put about a quarter size amount onto your fingertips. And the reason why we're using that much, go ahead and rub your fingertips together. You're going to apply in upwards motions on your face and on your neck and also on your chest. And that's why I included a little bit more product than what you would normally use for just your face, because we also want to protect our skin on our neck and chest, as they are one of the first places that age, and you can see a lot of wrinkles or sunspots, different things like that. Now, while you're rubbing it in, you're rubbing in Noni into the face. Noni is amazing because it's going to help brighten the skin and create this healthy glow, which I love because a lot of sunscreens can really matte your natural moisture in your face down, and it can almost leave your skin looking dull and dry. But the TeMana facial shield is amazing because it helps your skin to have that natural youthful glow that makes Noni so wonderful. Now, it's rubbing in super nicely too.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. You don't have, that cheap sunscreen look of all of the different places. You've done a really good job of getting it rubbed in around your eyebrows, which can be one of the most difficult areas to go. How does the sunscreen feel? Does it feel greasy?
No, it doesn't feel like typical sunscreen. It's lighter than the other sunscreen. But what I really like is it doesn't really smell like a heavy sunscreen too. So it's right on your face, with the fact that you're not really smelling that sunscreen chemical is really nice.
I love that about the TeMana Facial Shield because it doesn't smell like you've been at the beach or at the pool all day long. It smells, well, you can't even tell. Honestly, it's just a refreshing, light smell that smells clean, and it doesn't smell like you just grabbed your beach bag and you came from the pool or the beach. It's wonderful. You can see her natural complexion coming through the facial shield really well. She doesn't have that white toothpaste look that a lot of sunscreens have. If you have any questions or you would like to purchase the TeMana Facial Shield, then please reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They would be happy to help you with anything that you may need. You may also send any questions to our Facebook page. Thank you so much for being here with us today. And Jess, thanks for coming. It was wonderful having you here, and I'm really glad that we were able to use this product on your skin.
I am too. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.